Hey there, garden lovers. Welcome back to Homespot. Are you ready to transform your outdoor space into a rustic paradise using just driftwood and moss? Today, I'm sharing stunning DIY decoration ideas that will bring natural beauty to your garden without breaking the bank. These projects are simple, artistic, and absolutely gorgeous. Let's dive in. Transform your courtyard walls into living art with this vertical driftwood planter. Simply mount weathered driftwood pieces onto a rustic wooden board, creating natural pockets between the branches. Tuck soft moss into these spaces and nestle air plants and delicate ferns throughout. The textured wood grain combined with vibrant greenery creates a stunning focal point that brings nature's beauty to even the smallest outdoor spaces. This project is perfect for beginners and adds instant character to any bare wall. Create a conversation-starting centerpiece by stacking driftwood pieces in artistic, abstract formations. The key is finding pieces with interesting curves and angles that naturally complement each other. Fill the gaps between branches with preserved moss in varying shades of green, creating texture and visual interest. This freestanding sculpture works beautifully on patio tables or as a statement piece near your courtyard entrance. The organic materials bring warmth and natural elegance to your outdoor dining experience. Bring movement and whimsy to your courtyard with a floating garden mobile. Suspend multiple driftwood branches horizontally using clear fishing line at different heights, creating a layered effect. Adorn each piece with hanging moss balls and tiny succulents that dance gently in the breeze. This kinetic sculpture adds vertical interest to your space while keeping the ground area clear. The natural materials create peaceful shadows throughout the day, transforming your courtyard into an ever-changing artistic display. Set the mood for enchanting evenings with handcrafted driftwood candle holders. Choose thick logs with interesting shapes and carefully drill holes to fit tea lights securely. Surround each light with a base of live moss, which thrives in the moisture from the courtyard environment. As twilight falls, the warm candlelight creates magical shadows across the weathered wood grain. This rustic lighting solution adds romance and ambience while showcasing nature's simple beauty in your outdoor sanctuary. Welcome guests through a stunning natural archway crafted from curved driftwood pieces. Select larger branches with graceful bends that can be secured together to form a freestanding structure. Tuck moss into the crevices and encourage climbing vines to weave through the wood. This living architecture creates a dramatic threshold between spaces in your courtyard. The organic arch softens hard landscaping while establishing a clear sense of passage and discovery. Maximize vertical space with a charming driftwood ladder that showcases your moss terrarium collection. Construct the ladder from straight branches, securing each rung firmly for stability. Lean it casually against your courtyard wall and arrange glass terrariums on each step at varying heights. This tiered display creates visual rhythm while keeping delicate plants at eye level for easy appreciation. The rustic ladder adds farmhouse charm while solving small space storage challenges elegantly. Fill your courtyard with soothing sounds using a handcrafted wind chime. Suspend shells, beach glass, and moss-wrapped stones from a horizontal driftwood piece using various lengths of string. Each element catches the breeze differently, creating gentle melodic tones that promote relaxation. The coastal-inspired materials add a seaside aesthetic even in urban settings. This functional art piece engages multiple senses, combining visual beauty with calming auditory elements throughout the day. Discover natural planters hidden within driftwood's organic curves. Seek pieces with bowl-like hollows or create your own by carefully hollowing larger sections. Fill these natural vessels with sheet moss as a base. Then add small shade-loving plants that thrive in your courtyard's conditions. The wood grain provides stunning contrast against vibrant greenery, while the unusual container shape sparks interest. These living sculptures demonstrate how functional design and natural beauty unite perfectly. Bring wildlife charm to your courtyard walls with driftwood animal silhouettes. Arrange smaller branches to form recognizable shapes like birds in flight, graceful deer, or delicate butterflies. Add moss accent details to highlight features like wings or antlers. This project celebrates nature while showcasing your artistic vision. The dimensional quality of the wood pieces creates subtle shadows that change throughout the day, making your art piece come alive with natural light. Create living art that grows and evolves over time with moss graffiti. Blend moss with buttermilk and water to create a paintable mixture, then apply it in decorative swirls, patterns, or designs on a flat driftwood surfaces. Position your canvas in a shaded, moist area of your courtyard where moss can thrive. Over weeks, the moss will grow and fill in your painted design, creating vibrant green artwork. This innovative technique merges street art aesthetics with botanical gardening. Define pathways and garden beds with natural driftwood edging that adds rustic charm. Select stakes of varying heights and secure them upright along your borders, creating an organic fence line. Plant moss at the base of each stake where moisture naturally collects. This border solution costs nothing if you collect your own driftwood and provides habitat for beneficial insects. The irregular heights create visual rhythm while clearly delineating different zones within your courtyard garden. Invite feathered friends to your courtyard with a charming handcrafted birdhouse. Construct walls from weathered driftwood planks, creating natural texture and insulation. Cover the entire roof with living or preserved moss, which provides camouflage and helps regulate interior temperature. Mount your creation on a wall or post at appropriate height for local bird species. This functional art piece adds movement and life to your space while supporting urban wildlife and connecting you with nature. Bring miniature landscapes to your outdoor seating area with a shallow glass terrarium display. Build a wooden frame to support the glass. Then create tiny scenes inside using moss varieties, small driftwood pieces, and delicate plants. Position it as a coffee table centerpiece where guests can admire the intricate details. This living diorama becomes a conversation starter and meditation focal point. The protected environment allows you to showcase delicate plants that might struggle in open courtyard conditions. Express your love for natural decor with a romantic heart-shaped wreath. Bend and secure curved driftwood branches into a hard outline, reinforcing joints with wire or twine. Fill the center with dense moss and tuck in small flowering plants for seasonal color. Hang this charming creation on courtyard walls or doors to welcome visitors. The combination of rugged wood and soft moss symbolizes the balance between strength and gentleness in nature. Personalize your courtyard with custom moss-covered lettering. Construct letter frames from driftwood sticks, forming words like your family name, inspiring quotes, or simple greetings. Pack each frame densely with moss, creating vibrant green typography. Mount these botanical letters on walls where they receive adequate moisture and indirect light. This living signage adds character and warmth while making your outdoor space feel truly yours. The moss requires regular misting to maintain its lush appearance. Create a tranquil water feature by incorporating driftwood into a small fountain design. Stack weathered pieces around your pump and basin, allowing water to trickle over the wood. Encourage moss to grow in the constantly moist crevices between pieces. The combination of flowing water, organic wood textures, and verdant moss creates a zen-like atmosphere perfect for meditation or relaxation. This fountain becomes a cooling focal point that engages sight, sound, and touch in your courtyard sanctuary. Craft unique wall art by combining multiple natural materials in geometric or abstract patterns. Arrange flat stones, driftwood segments, and moss patches on wooden backing, creating contrasting textures and colors. This mixed media approach showcases nature's diversity while allowing complete creative freedom. Seal the finished piece for outdoor durability or keep it under covered areas. The Mosaic technique transforms simple found materials into sophisticated art that rivals gallery pieces while maintaining organic authenticity. There you have it. Incredible ways to transform your garden with driftwood and moss. These natural materials create stunning rustic decor that's both affordable and timeless. Which project will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite idea. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Homespot for more garden inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest DIY projects. Happy creating!